Screeners make it easier to find the right investments faster. It helps you filter thousands of stocks and ETFs into a manageable list based on criteria that aligns with your investment plan. In this video, we'll show you how to use screeners effectively to identify opportunities and make informed decisions. To access the screener tool, expand the iTrade menu, select Research, then choose Screener Tools. You're now on the screener page where you can start filtering assets based on your criteria. Adding filters. First, choose the country and asset type. For example, select Canada and equities. The available criteria will appear below and update as you interact with the tool. On the left-hand side, the criteria are grouped for easy navigation. Or you can use the search bar to quickly look up a specific filter. Let's start with dividend yield. Select and click Add Filter. When you add a filter, the screener updates with matching results. On the right-hand side, you'll see the number of matches. To refine further, set a dividend yield range, say 4 to 6%. The tool automatically updates to show matches. Sorting and exploring results. Click the column headings to sort the results by a different metric. You may also want to view these additional screener tabs to explore more in-depth information. Basics, ratios, performance. Use the plus button to reveal more information about a specific asset. And to perform an action, select the three-dot menu for additional options, such as placing a trade, adding to your watch list, setting alerts, and more. ETF screeners. If you're interested in ETFs, you can use the ETF screener the same way as the equity screener. Define your criteria and search for ETFs that match your needs. By effectively using the Equity and ETF Screeners tool, you can focus on investments that fit your personal strategy, helping you make confident, informed decisions.